Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. In this video, we will discuss about a new open source Cowork tool, and it is from the Eigent AI. It is completely free and open source. You can use any Olama model, you can use any Gemini model, or you can use any open router model, freely available, and for any operating system, Mac or Linux or Windows, you can download it. Okay, and it has a complete clean interface. Here you see that I am using it for the last 2 days, and you remember that some days ago Claude also released this co-work feature, but this co-work from Claude Code is not freely available, so that's why we have an open source alternative to this Claude Code co-work, and it is from the Eigent AI. And here you see that this is their GitHub repository, completely freely available. You can do the setup locally also, but they have the official app which is available for downloading in all of these operating system. So as I am using this Windows operating system, so that's why I have downloaded this Windows, and the installation process is very simple. You have to do this next and it will be downloaded. And here you see that they have by default 4 agent. One is the browser agent, another one is the developer agent, another one is the document agent, and another one is this custom agent setup. And here you see that if I take you to this interface that I am using. By the way, I am using this Eigent AI Cowork tool for the last 2 days, and I am pretty much confident that this Cowork tool really have the great capability to give the best output. Okay, so what I am doing here you see that I have done the UK healthcare industry analysis, and this is the prompt that I have given. And on the right hand side here you see today is the 5th February, so that's why this report date is showing. Here you see 5th February 2026, and this is the UK healthcare industry analysis full report. And I just simply gave this prompt to this agent, and there were many agents that they have done this research. Here you see on the left hand side all of these things are done. Okay, and after that they have given this report. And below, just follow my cursor, you find that there are some agents. Just follow the below portion. There are some agents like document agent, browser agent. They have done the research and they have connected with the web tool, okay, web search tool, and with the help of that tools they have collected all of this data, and it is in front of me. I don't have to go different websites to collect all of that. It is doing all of that things for me. Okay, not only this normal analysis or normal report, it can do the development also. So for that they have the developer agent. Okay, so now if I just back from here you see that the tasks that I have given here, two agent did the work. One is the document agent, another one is the browser agent. So browser agent have searched over the internet, and document agent prepare the document. Now how to do the setup? Okay, so first time when you will come to this Eigent AI, this Cowork tool, then it will ask you to do the setup. So let me do that setup. So first time you will see this kind of screen. Okay, now on the right hand side you will find the settings button. So follow my cursor. Can I make this large? No, it is not getting large. Okay, so follow my cursor. On the right hand side top you will find the settings button, and now you will find this page, and here on the left hand side under the settings you will find this general privacy models. So click on this models, and here you see that for the first time when you will do the sign up, you will get some credits, and also daily you will get some credits. So let me show you that credits. Why is that? Yes, if I go to this pricing, then here you see that for the free users you will get 200 free credits per day. Per day you will get it, you will get 200 free credits. Okay, and you will get access to this OpenAI, Claude and Gemini model. And the thing is that if you run it locally, then it is unlimited. But if you are using it through this app, through this desktop, then this credit is for that users only. Okay, otherwise if you run it locally, here you see that this is the steps for running it locally. Means git clone, then npm install, npm run dev. But I think that if you use this 200 daily credits, then it will be okay for you to just test this. Okay, so now let me show you how to do the setup. Now here you see that Gemini model and OpenAI model, Anthropic model, and OpenRouter. So I am using this OpenRouter model because there are many models that are available. So recently I made a video on this step 3.5 flash. Those who have watched that video, they only know that. So where is that video? Here you see. Better than GLM 4.7 step 3.5 flash. So please watch that video, you will get enough knowledge. So I used this model to do the analysis, and yes, so here you have to give the OpenRouter API key, and this is the by default base URL that you will get, and this is the model name that you have to provide. So for OpenRouter, if you go in this model section, you will get many models. Let's say I am choosing this model. So beside this every model you will find this copy option. So just copy this and paste that whole model ID here in this section. Okay, you have to paste that whole model ID. Otherwise it will not work. And for this coin also, for this DeepSeek, for this Minimax and GLM, Moonsuit means Kimi, and this AWS Bedrock, Azure OpenAI compatible for all of these, and last is the Olama. Okay, so you can use this Olama. Let me choose one of the Olama models. So if I do this Olama list, I have these two model available. GLM 4.7 cloud. Okay, can I use this GLM 4.7 cloud? Let's see GLM 4.7 clouds. Now for Olama the base URL is this. So let me just save this. It is saving that configuration. Okay, validate 404 error. Why? I think V1 I have to write. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, got the success message. Here you see, just remember, now whenever you are pasting this base URL, just write this slash V1. Okay, slash V1. So now this is a default model. Now if I just go back, okay, if I just go back and here, if I just write hi and press enter, now you will see that task splitting. So it is actually dividing the task to the different agent. Here you see that I have got the output, hello, how can I help you today? So it is now using this Olama JLM 4.7 cloud. Now you can give any task. Here you see that multimodal agent, browser agent, developer agent, all are available. So developer agent work is for helping the web development. Here you see, if you expand it, they have written it, terminal, sale, web development related work it can do. Okay, so all of the works that it will do, it will be saved inside the agent folder. Okay, here inside this agent folder you will get. So this is the interface and this is the whole work functionality, and you please use it, and please let me know your thought, your feedback in the comment section. And if you found this whole detail step by step process helpful, please make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.